Are you the person that always takes the photos on days out and family adventures? Well, yeah, me too. I take hundreds of the things. But sharing them afterwards can be difficult. They get lost in an iMessage thread and they never attach my email because they're too large. Well, that's where iCloud shared libraries come in. And it's a really simple but effective way of sharing photos of a group and getting other people to put their pictures in too for you to access. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new around here, hi, my name's Jacob. I'm your friendly Apple expert, here to help make your iPhone more useful and more valuable than ever by showing you tons of secret and hidden features. Please tap subscribe if you want some more. Okay, so all I'm going to do is find a batch of photos I want to share with my friend Chris from when he came down to visit us recently. So I'm going to go into Photos, tap Select, and then just select as many photos as I want. There's no real limit to how many you can attach here, but I'll select a group to begin with. Then we're going to press Share. Now this is when it might be different, because you might have pressed iMessage or email or Google Drive or something like that before. But instead we're going to tap on Create Shared Album. At this point we're now going to have a new album that we can give a name to, and all of those photos belong in that album. But right now it's not been shared with anyone, which is kind of defeating the point of having a shared album. So what I'm going to do is tap on the people icon at the top, and then I can invite Chris and anyone else that I want to have join into this shared album. That invite will go via iMessage, and they can simply tap on it and press accept on their device to join that shared album. At this point, both myself and Chris can add more pictures into the album by tapping the plus button at the top, and of course we can then add as many as you want and we can synchronize them together. There's also an activity feed here, which shows you all the photos and videos that have been added, and you can leave comments and reactions on individual ones if you wanted to. And if you found this quick tip useful, I think you're going to really enjoy this one next.